आइए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोसीजर के हवाले से टू परफॉर्म द सदर्न ब्लॉटिंग। अभी तक हमने जितनी मॉड्यूल्स में बातें की हैं रिगार्डिंग द सैंपल प्रिपरेशन, रिगार्डिंग द जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस, रिगार्डिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एंजाइम्स फॉर restriction digestion, we are going to start from the very beginning. What procedure can be adopted? Southern blot procedure जो है that is a long process, so it will be covered in next couple of modules. तो सबसे पहला जो इसमें स्टेप है that is going to be the DNA digestion, then electrophoresis, and then we transfer the DNA on the membrane. For this purpose, again we can perform the method taking the DNA of our interest जिसके ऊपर हमने काम करना है, choice of the restriction endonuclease or restriction enzyme, and perform the digestion. After digestion, we will see if the DNA comes from mammalian genome or mammalian cells, it would be of large molecular weight and it can be a viscous sample. So for that purpose, we need to use large bore yellow pipette tip so that due to viscosity, the flow of the DNA inside the pipette or out of the pipette cannot be compromised. In case after the digestion is done, the volume is quite high, then we have to precipitate the DNA, and the precipitation can be done using ethanol. Once the precipitation step is complete, the required amount of DNA can be resuspended in TE buffer of about 25 microliter. So in this 25 microliter, we can have the concentration of our required volume in the required volume and the required amount. Once the precipitation is done, the DNA is resuspended in TE buffer to ensure that we have sufficient amount of DNA. Determine the concentration using the fluorimetry or spot test of ethidium bromide or cyber gold. Then transfer this DNA sample into fresh tube, the plastic tube, so that we can prepare the sample to load into the gel. And for gel electrophoresis, we have to add 6 times sucrose gel loading buffer. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं loading buffer का काम क्या है? To give color to the DNA sample, to settle it into the wells of the gel, and with the help of this loading buffer, we can track the DNA bands during the electrophoresis. Once the electrophoresis is performed, we can see that the DNA is separated on the basis of molecular weight. For electrophoresis, we should apply the current at low voltage so that the DNA migrates slowly in the gel. And it is recommended to apply 1 volt per centimeter of the gel. Electrophoresis के बाद next step is the staining. Staining can be done again using ethidium bromide or cyber gold. Then taking a photograph of the gel. Using that photograph, we can determine that how many centimeters the DNA band has traveled in that gel. Through the picture, we can estimate the distance. Once it has been done, the photograph is visible, DNA gel is stained, then next step is transfer of the DNA from the gel onto the membrane, nylon membrane, so that it can be processed further for southern blotting. And for this purpose, we have to denature the DNA and we have to transfer the DNA sample from the gel onto the nylon membrane.